ISDocs is the solution you need to simplify, streamline, and automate your AP processes. We provide all the tools you need to scan paper invoices and import invoices from email. Then we process the invoices using our AI-driven cloud processing. Next, we route the invoices based on workflow rules for approvals and geocoding. Then the invoice and line item data is validated and imported into your accounting system. The processed invoices are securely stored in the cloud and are easy to access when needed. Once invoices are imported into the system, they are automatically OCR'd and then processed to identify the invoice and line item data without any setup or templates. Next, the invoices are routed for approvals and to geocode them. The invoices and line item data are then imported into your accounting system. Our reporting capabilities give you better insight into the status of all of the invoices in process. You can also provide your vendors with self-service portals. Authorized users can instantly access invoices from any connected device. Using our electronic forms, you can eliminate paper forms and manual processes. Contact Premier Business Innovations to see how ISDocs can help you automate your AP processes to start saving you time and money today.